Yeah, please tell me. Yeah. Now let me ask general questions to you. How can you develop a bank branch once you are made manager of the branch? Excuse
So the
me.
first thing is the yes, sir.
Yeah. How will you improve the branch in regard to deposit advances and all once you are made manager of the branch?
Okay. So the first thing is the efficiency of the customer services. Like we should provide a friendly customer service and protecting their privacy policy, and we should like uh, 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 so can I take a minute?
No. What are the things you will do in order to improve the business? That means what you can say, I will try to improve the deposit base and I will also improve the advances portfolio by selecting good borrowers. I will also try to recover the NPA advances to a maximum extent. I will tune up recovery. I will tune up customer service and create a better image about our bank in the eyes of the public in locality. And I will try to use some other foreign contacts also, because Kerala being a place with more non-residents, I will use those contact also and try to develop our business.
Okay.
Now, please try to tell me. Please try to tell me how will you develop or you have not joined RRB, no?
No, sir. No, sir. Not yet.
Yeah. Now tell me, supposing you are posted as manager, how will you improve the bank branch? Which, okay, tell me.
So by decreasing the NPAs,
Yeah.
and sir, can you repeat once more?
Uh,
Promise I'm not.
no. See, when you are posted as manager, what you should do, you should try to improve the image of the branch in the eyes of the public in locality by having proper publicity and door-to-door campaign.
Okay.
Then improve deposit base through the existing customers and also through their contacts. Try to recover the NPA maximum extent so that our profit can also improve. I will also increase advances, new advances, by selecting good borrowers so that the business of the bank will improve. A business of a bank branch is determined by both deposit, advances, profit, NPA, like that. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. Now, please tell me, what are the different types of banks do we have now? Like public sector banks, you tell me like that.
Okay. So different types of banks are public sector banks, private banks, foreign banks, and cooperative banks.
Apart from that?
Apart from that, small finance bank, payment banks.
Important one you have omitted. Important one you have omitted. Regional rural banks.
Oh, sorry, sir. Regional rural banks.
That is also to be told. Now, regional rural banks, what is the capital contribution made by the sponsoring bank, made by the central government, like that?
Central government contributes about 50%, and sponsor bank contributes about 35%, and state government about 15%.
Okay, good. That is right. Now, did you get to know what are the questions they are asking in Trivandrum recently in IBPS PO interview? Acha, you are going to, your interview is going to be in Bengaluru, na?
Bengaluru, yeah, Bengaluru.
Yeah. Did you come to know what are the questions they are asking in Bengaluru?
No, sir. No, I don't know, sir.
You are not got. Acha. Let me ask you phrase not Madras interview. Now, can you tell me what are the functions of RBI?
So they act as the banker to banks. They regulate and supervise all the banking services of commercially scheduled banks, and they act as a banker to government. And also they issue the bank currency notes. they frame the monetary policy report, and they act as the manager to foreign exchange.
Good.
Sir.
Not manager, controller of foreign exchange.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Good. Very good. You told very nicely. Can you please tell me what is expansion for SHG?
Sir, SHG is self-help groups.
Hmm.
So it's about 10 to 20 women in a rural part forms the self-help groups, and the main objective is to save the money and lend them to the person, to the one who needs it.
No.
And
No. It is not necessary rural area. Even in urban, people can join together. They save money. They open bank account. They save money in bank. Bank gives them loan. They disperse the money among members. Members use it for their business. They return money to the group. Group in turn returns to the bank. In turn, banks give them a higher limit. What is the advantage of this scheme from the angle of women?
so to mobilize the money and
it is a
the money is lended for low interest rate.
It is it is one of the ways of increasing the women empowerment.
Okay.
Now tell me whether online payment is good or not.
Yes, sir, definitely it is good.
Why? How do you justify it is good, better than our, say, making payment through check?
Sir, time consuming. And also faster, the process will be very faster. And definitely it is secure.
Good, excellent, good points. Now, can you tell me what are the circumstances under which a bank may refuse payment of a check when presented over the counter, though there is balance in the account, though the signature is tallying? What are the other circumstances in which it can be returned unpaid, or they can refuse payment?
Sir, if the check is a post-dated check or anti-dated check or a staged check or
no, anti-dated check. Anti-dated check is okay. For example, today 26/2, if you present a check dated 24/2, I can make payment, nothing wrong. But only thing is it should not be stale. For becoming stale, how many months delay?
3 months.
Very good. Good. Very good. Then what are the other circumstances?
Then in case of a death of a customer.
Good. Next.
Then
where there is alteration in the check. Where there is alteration in the check, it requires full signature. Okay. And where there is difference in words and figures, though as per law, we are supposed to pay the figure given in words. Normally, under such circumstances, the check is not paid. Okay. Very good.
Okay.
And what do you understand by one-time settlement?
So one-time settlement, sorry sir, I don't know about it.
One-time settlement comes in the case of NPA accounts, where borrowers are offered concession in regard to repayment of the dues. For example, if a borrower owes 10 lakhs rupees and he may be offered settlement at 7 lakhs or 8 lakhs. And if he undertakes that and settles the dues immediately, then the account will be considered as closed or fully settlement arrived at. Understand? This question was asked in Chennai. Yeah. And now, how did you prepare for this interview? This is asked in Chandigarh. How did you prepare for this interview?
Yes, sir. I took like more YouTube channels. I watched more YouTube channels, and I prepared notes on banking awareness.
Yeah, acha.
And I took some
1 minute.
online
1 minute. I will cut it and then call you afterwards. Okay.
Oh,
Hello. சதீஷ் சொல்லுடா. அம்மா கீழே சாப்பிட போயிருக்கா. இன்னொரு 10 நிமிஷத்துல வந்துருவோட. நான் வந்து இப்ப ஆன்லைன்ல ஒரு கேரளா பொண்ணோட இன்டர்வியூ பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். பண்ணியிருந்தேன். பரவாயில்ல, கட் பண்ணிட்டேன். இட்ஸ் நாட் அ ப்ராப்ளம். இட்ஸ் நாட் அ ப்ராப்ளம். அம்மா ஹஸ் கம். Hello. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Please speak. Hello. 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 Are you connected to audio? Audio sound, are you able to hear in the Zoom or not?
No, sir, I am not audible to hear you, sir.
Acha,
So
acha.
I'm checking, sir.
Okay, so now you can reply through this itself. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, you just take it like this only. It is being recorded. It is being recorded now. You can come out of that.
Okay, sir.
You can come out of that Zoom.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. You can record, sir.
No, yeah, good. You are from which place?
Sir, I am from Tirupattur district of Tamil Nadu, sir.
Acha, good. What is your father?
Yeah, my father is working as labor in company where leather is manufacturing by using animal skin, sir. They are working in that company, sir, as a labor.
Very good. What is your mother?
Yeah, mother also working in company named India Show Export, sir, as a attacher, sir. They are working as labor also.
Acha.
She also working as labor.
That means you are near Tirupattur.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Now, what is your basic qualification?
Yes, sir. I have graduated in mechanical engineering from Government College of Engineering, Salem. Mechanical engineering.
Very good. Which year did you pass out?
Yes, sir. I have graduated in 2017, sir.
2017. After that, where have you been working?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. After that, I got placed in Bridgestone India Private Limited, which is tire industry, sir. I was working there for 2.5 years. 2.5 years. After that, I resigned from organization. I have started my preparation for banking, and now I am preparing for banking.
So is this the first interview you are attending, or you have attended some other interviews, bank interviews earlier?
No, sir. This is my first interview. I have based ibps PO 0.5. I have written all mains examination this year, but I could not qualify in mains.
Very good. For this interview, how did you prepare? What are the things you have prepared?
Yes, sir. I have prepared basic questions of banking awareness and my preparation related to my working experience. Some basic questions I have prepared.
Very good. Can you please tell me about your working experience? What is it you were doing in your previous workplace?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. In August 2017, I have joined in Bristol Tire as graduate engineer trainee, sir. My basic work is the customer handling, sir. If I am working in tire industry, we are selling tires through the dealer. If customer reported any claim issues in tire, they handed over tire to dealer. Then we will go to and check whether it is manufacturing defect or customer fault. Then we will accept claims, sir, and also we will do the performance tracking activities. We will get information about competitors. Then we will send it to HO. Also, we will provide some basic training to the dealership. These are the things I will.
No, but one thing that means the job you are doing has got no connection with your mechanical engineering degree. You are doing a sales job only.
Yes, sir. I am always giving sales support activities, sir. We are not directly, I am working as sales engineer. I am not selling the tires, but I will get the data from market. I will send it to sales team. Then by using that data, the sales team will generate the sales volume, sir, increase the sales volume. Also, we will do the product testing, sir. We will, before launching any new product into the market, we will do the testing. Then we will share this report to our head office. Then based on that, they will introduce a new product into the market, sir. I am working as sales engineer. Yes.
Yeah, tell me. Okay, very good, very good. Now, apart from that, you studied banking awareness also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
So, what did you study in banking awareness? For example, how a bank can make profit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Bank is a financial institution which accept deposit from customer and lend the money to the various customer, those who are in need. What actually we will do is we will open current account, saving account, term deposit and fixed deposit. From that we will accept a deposit from the customers. Then we will give it to the give this amount to the another customer much higher value than what we are currently providing to the existing customer. For example, for current account, we are not providing any interest. For saving account, we are providing 3 to 4% of interest. But if we are providing house loans, any other loans, we will charge 9%. That difference we will get profit. Also, we will tie up with insurance companies because bank has a huge customer base. If by selling insurance products on behalf of insurance company, we will get some share of profit from insurance.
No, not share of profit. Commission.
Commission, sir. We will get commission from insurance.
Yeah, but okay. But then in the first way you were started telling we will open deposit, and that's all not required. For improving the profit, you have to say, I will increase the advance portfolio by giving advances to selected goods parties and reduce NPA by recovering NPA. And also that is how you have to say, and by improving the non-fund based business by canvassing of insurance policies and renting out lockers, etc.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good.
Okay.
Then have you heard of the term one-time settlement? No.
One time, no, sir. No.
This was asked in Chennai 2 days back. Yesterday or day before yesterday. One-time settlement means the NPA parties are offered concession in the amount to be paid back by them. Supposing a party has to pay 10 lakhs rupees, he will be offered settlement at 7 lakhs or 6 lakhs or 8 lakhs, so that if he pays in lump sum, the entire loan account will be closed.
Okay, sir.
And it subject to certain conditions as per Reserve Bank guidelines, it will be done.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Do you know what is meant by a balance sheet and what are the items that will appear in the balance sheet of a bank?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I don't know about balance.
So you have to study because they are asking even non-commerce students about this.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So balance sheet,
Okay, sir.
in the bank balance sheet on the liability side, you will have their capital, profit.
Okay, sir.
Then you will also have the deposits collected from the public.
Okay, sir.
So that is fixed deposit, savings bank, and all the deposits, and any other liability which the bank has to give, possibly to Reserve Bank of India or to other banks.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Under asset side, you will have fixed assets in the form of building, car, computer, and other assets which will be using for a long time as fixed assets.
Okay, sir. Okay.
We will have under current assets the loans and advances we have given to the borrowers and
Okay, sir.
the amount of money lent by us to other banks.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, on the liability side, you will also have the profit earned by the bank and the reserves and surplus. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
very good. Next question will be, do you know how many crores of money is to be given to public sector banks for recapitalization by government? How many crores are they going to give in March? It has been announced by Finance Minister. After the budget, out of the budget, the answer is 15,000 crore.
15,000 crore, yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good.
They are giving that amount to individuals, those who are affected by
No, no,
COVID,
no, no,
the
no, no, no,
individual
no.
can get,
Not that way. No, no, no. They are recapitalizing. Recapitalizing means they are increasing the capital of the government in those banks because those banks capital adequacy ratio is not sufficient. It should be 9%. They are not fully satisfying that. In order to satisfy that, they are giving this money to the two or three public sector banks. They have not told how many banks.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. Which newspaper are you reading?
Sir, I am reading Hindu.
So what is the news you read yesterday, day before yesterday, and 1 or 2 days before that? Whatever you are remembering, you please tell me.
Sir, recently the Ukraine issue are going on, sir. Majorly I have read the news related about Ukraine issues. Yesterday, the day before yesterday, New Zealand, Russia started attacking Ukraine. They are announced or they are taking. They announced wars.
So why this war has come?
Yes, sir. There are border issues are going on, sir. Also, the Ukraine is willing to join in NATO. NATO join with NATO, but Russia is not. Russia is not willing. Russia is not interested in Ukraine, sir. That's why they are insisting you are not going to join NATO. Also, in border area, Donbass. This is there are a lot of Russian supporters are there. So this is supporters are there. They are trying to capture that area.
Okay. Now, yeah, what you were telling about Ukraine crisis and who is the president of Ukraine? Who is the president of Russia?
Vladimir Putin, sir. Vladimir Putin.
Who is the president of Russia? That one, Ukraine?
Zelensky, sir. Zelensky.
Acha. Now, what is the stand of Indian government in this regard?
Sir, India's stand in this is neutral, sir. They are not supporting any countries. India yesterday also the day before yesterday also our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi called Putin to stop the to request to stop the war. In this case, India's stand is neutral, sir. They are not supporting any countries.
Very good. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu?
Yes, sir. Muthuvel Karnanidhi Stalin, sir.
Okay. Who is the Governor of Tamil Nadu?
R.N. Ravi, sir. The 4 to 5 months back appointed, sir. Recently, the day, before that, he is working as governor in Nagaland.
No, you don't.
Recently,
No. I asked you only who is the governor. You don't have to tell where was he working and all that. Tell only the name. Briefly,
okay,
you have to answer.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You have to
R.N. Ravi,
answer
sir. R.N. Ravi.
briefly. Now tell me who is the Finance Minister of Tamil Nadu?
Tyagaraj. Palnivel Tyagaraj. Mr. Palnivel Tyagaraj.
Can you name tourist places in Tamil Nadu?
Kodaikanal, Ooty, Kodaikanal, Ooty. Kodaikanal, Ooty is major tourist place. Kodalur.
3 வாட்டி சொல்லிட்டப்பா அது. ஊட்டி, கொடைக்கானல். ஒரு திரும்ப கேட்டு பாரு வீடியோ, அப்ப உனக்கு புரியும். அதாவது 3 வாட்டி ஒரே பாயிண்ட். ஏன் அவ்வளவு பயப்படுறியா?
இல்ல சார், இல்ல.
ஏன்பா வாட் ஆர் த டூரிஸ்ட் பிளேசஸ்ன்னு கேட்டா கொடைக்கானல், ஊட்டி மட்டும்தான் சொல்லணுமா? மகாபலிபுரம், அப்புறம் கூனூர், அதுக்கு எவ்வளவோ இடம் இருக்கு. திருவண்ணாமலை, காஞ்சிபுரம், கும்பகோணம், எதை வேணா சொல்லலாம்ல. ஏற்காடு ஏன் சொல்ல? பரவாயில்ல, கொஞ்சம் பயப்படுற. நல்ல பையன் நீ, நல்லா வரணும். பட் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா தைரியமா பேசணும். இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசி பழக்கம் இல்லை, அது ஒண்ணு. பட் ஓரளவுக்கு பரவாயில்ல, அதுக்கு பரவாயில்ல. யூ ஆர் டாக்கிங் வெரி வெல். நல்லா தான் பேசுற. கொஞ்சம் இழுத்து பேசுற, அது கொஞ்சம் அவாய்ட் பண்ணணும். பரவாயில்ல. தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய வைல்ட் லைஃப் சாங்சுவரி எல்லாம் தெரியுமா? தமிழ்நாட்டை பத்தி கொஞ்சம் படிக்கணும், அதுக்கு தான் இவ்வளவு தூரம் கேட்கிறேன். வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்லை. நீ உனக்கு தெரியாதுன்னு எனக்கு தெரியும், படிச்சுக்கோ. நீ அதையும் படிச்சுட்டு போனாதான் சரியா இருக்கும். அப்புறம் யூனியன் கேபினெட் மினிஸ்டர்,
அது நம்ம அது 12வது வரையுமே நம்ம இங்க லோக்கல் தமிழ் லாங்குவேஜ்ல தான் சார் படிச்சேன்.
புரிஞ்சுது.
கம்யூனிகேஷன் வந்து டெவலப்.
பரவாயில்ல. அதுக்கு நீ நல்லா பேசுற. 10க்கு 9 மார்க் அதுக்கு, கம்யூனிகேஷனுக்கு. பட் நீ வந்து இதை சொல்லி பார்க்கலாம். நான் இப்ப என்ன கேள்வி கேட்டவொன்னு, யூனியன் மினிஸ்டர்ஸ் 5 பேர் கரெக்டா சொல்லி எந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்னு சொல்லு.
மினிஸ்டர் ஆஃப் சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் டெக்னாலஜி வந்து ஜிதேந்தர் சிங் சார்.
ஓகே.
மினிஸ்ட்ரி ஆஃப் ஃபினான்ஸ் மினிஸ்டர் வந்து நிர்மலா சீதாராமன் சார். ஆயுஷ் மினிஸ்ட்ரி வந்து சர்பானந்த சோனாவால் சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து மினிஸ்ட்ரி ஆஃப் பவர் அண்ட் நியூ ரெனியூவபிள் எனர்ஜி வந்து ஆர்கே சிங் சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் மினிஸ்ட்ரி ஆஃப் ரயில்வேஸ் வந்து அஸ்வினி வைஷ்ணவ். அவங்க வந்து அதுக்கடுத்து நார்த் ஈஸ்டர்ன் ஸ்டேட்ஸுக்கும் அவங்க தான் வந்து அது அவங்க அஸ்வினி வைஷ்ணவ் தான் சார். அவங்க தான் வந்து அதுக்கும் மினிஸ்டர்.
பரவாயில்ல, நல்லா சொன்ன பேர் எல்லாமே நாட் ஃபேவரபிள், ஐ மீன் ஃபேவரட் நேம்ஸ் கிடையாது. இனி சாதாரணமா எல்லா பிள்ளைங்களையும் கேட்டா டிஃபென்ஸ் மினிஸ்டர், ஹோம் மினிஸ்டர், அப்புறம் அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் மினிஸ்டர் பேர் என்ன?
மன்சுக் மாண்டவியா.
அப்படியா? இல்ல நரேந்திர சிங் தோமரா?
இல்ல சார், நரேந்திர சிங் தோமர். மன்சுக் மாண்டவியா வந்து இது கெமிக்கல் அண்ட் ஃபெர்டிலைசர்.
வெரி குட். பரவாயில்ல, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு வாட்டி மினிஸ்டர்ஸ் லிஸ்டும் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிக்கோ. அப்புறம் வாட் இஸ் தி கேபிட்டல் ஆஃப் திரிபுரா?
கேபிட்டல் ஆஃப் திரிபுரா தெரியல சார்.
அகர்தாலா. கொஞ்சம் அதையும் அப்டேட் பண்ணிக்கோ. ஸ்டாட்டிக் ஜிகேயும் படிச்சுக்கோ.
ஓகே சார்.
நல்லா பண்ணிருக்க. பட் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தைரியமா போய் பேசணும். என்னைக்கு இன்டர்வியூ உனக்கு?
எனக்கு வந்து வியாழக்கிழமை சார் 3ஆம் தேதி.
3ஆம் தேதி தானே? ஆமா, நீ தானே அந்த யாரோ அப்பா
ஆமா.
யாரோ ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போயிட்டாங்கன்னு சொன்ன பையன் நீ தானே?
ஆமா சார். எங்க மாமாக்கு உடம்பு சரியில்லை சார். ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல இருக்காரு. அதை நான் முன்னாடியே பண்ணலாம்னு இருந்தேன் சார். அது ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு போய் கொஞ்சம் வேலை இருந்ததால இது பண்ண முடியும்.
சரி, பரவாயில்ல பரவாயில்ல.
நேத்து
நோ இஷ்யூஸ், நோ இஷ்யூஸ்.
ஓகே சார்.
பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ். நல்லா தான் பேசுறேன். நான் போடுற வீடியோ எல்லாம் பாரு, ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும்.
அதான் சார் பார்த்துன்னு இருக்கேன். அதுல பார்த்துட்டு இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின் கேக்குறீங்க, அதை வச்சு தான் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி.
வெரி குட். பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ். தேங்க் யூ.
ஓகே ஓகே சார். தேங்க் யூ சார்.
என்னோட மதிப்பெண் வந்து 85 மார்க்ஸ் அவுட் ஆஃப் 100.
ஓகே சார். எது வேற ஏதாச்சும் இன்னும் டெவலப் பண்ணுமா சார்?
அதாவது ரொம்ப இழுத்து இழுத்து பேசுற.
ஓகே சார்.
அதுக்கப்புறம் சிலது வந்து பேங்கிங் இன்னும் நல்லா படிக்கணும். ஏன்னா
ஓகே சார்.
நீ இன்ஜினியரா இருந்தா கூட பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட் பத்தி கேக்குறாங்க, என்பிஏ பத்தி கேக்குறாங்க, ஒன் டைம் செட்டில்மெண்ட் கேட்பாங்க, சர்ஃபேசி ஆக்ட் கேட்பாங்க, அப்புறம் இன்சால்வென்சி பேங்க்ரப்சி கோட பத்தி கேட்பாங்க. நான் கொடுத்திருக்கிற இப்போ ஒரு மெட்டீரியல் கொடுத்திருக்கேன் பாரு. ஒரே 2 புக் மட்டும் மெட்டீரியல் கொடுத்திருக்கேன். அது இருக்கா இல்லையா உங்ககிட்ட?
இல்ல சார், அது இல்ல சார்.
அப்படியா?
நான் ஒரு பேங்கிங் அவேர்னஸ் ஒரு புக் வச்சிருக்கேன். அதை வச்சு தான் சார்.
இல்ல, இப்ப நான் உனக்கு கொடுக்குறேன் பாரு. உன்னுடைய நம்பர் என்னப்பா உனக்கு? நம்பர் 77025. இல்ல இல்ல, உன் நம்பர் என்ன?
ஆமா சார்.
டபுள்
90476740.
ஆமா, இங்க இருக்கு 90476. கரெக்ட். அதுக்கு வந்துட்டேன், அதுல கொடுத்துட்டேன். நீ அதை டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி பாரு, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். படிச்சு பாரு.
ஓகே சார்.
பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ். பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ்.
தேங்க் யூ சார்.
தேங்க் யூ. நீ 200 தானே கட்டினே? எவ்வளவு கட்டின? 200 ரூபீஸா?
ஆமா சார். ஆமா சார். ஆமா சார்.
ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ. நீ இன்டர்வியூ அட்டெண்ட் பண்ண பிறகு என்ன கேள்வி கேட்கறாங்கன்னு சொல்லு எனக்கு.
கண்டிப்பா சார். கண்டிப்பா சார்.
நீ வாட்ஸ்அப்ல அனுப்பினா கூட போதும்.